We're gonna go ahead and let's create a new section here. Tesla Thursdays, day number 5. Welcome. So what are we doing today? Setting up RTMP Docker. Wow, RTMP? Docker container. Attempting to test a local stream to it today on stream. Talk about next steps of getting this thing set up. That's pretty much it. And then learnings. Yeah, and then just talk about our learnings and how things are happening. I'm a hipster. Thanks for noticing. But I really do like writing in Markdown. I don't know. It's just a thing. So that's how we do it. So wait, to keep load to a minimum on Pi, but more load on the Pi to monitor the load. I just got really confused alpha reading your stuff, but yes, essentially. Oh, Notion supports Markdown? Nice, okay. Yeah, we need a list of some new emotes, huh? It's been a while. It's been a while since we got stuff. But yes, here, let me go ahead and get this stuff going here, folks. So what I downloaded yesterday, oh, and I totally messed up. I haven't even, God, terrible streamer. I haven't even set up this. Gotta go here in case I gotta copy some stuff. And then we have, yeah, let me go to what I downloaded yesterday. I downloaded this thing called Glances. And my God, did it take a long time, but it was cool. It's essentially just a hardware info thing that you can make, or that you can put on your Pi. So we have this installed now. They have an API even that you can hit. They have a way to access it via a web page. Like, there's a bunch of stuff. They even do Docker container support. Like, it has literally everything. And this thing is open source. Like, this thing is awesome. It has 16.5 thousand stars. Like, it's cool. It's really cool. Download this yesterday. I'm going to set it up. And we're going to go from there. Yes, infrastructure wars. That's exactly it. Be a practice making emotes at the minute. So happy to make you one. Ooh! Hey. Yes, that's a great idea. I will let you know, especially I'm going to need some emotes, and I'm going to need some more, Alec needs to take off of work messages to send to my manager. Yes. Can you put yourself in your Pi, Alec? No, I don't. I definitely won't fit. But I thought it'd be cool. We show this on stream. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to SSH into the Pi. So Alec at pixelpi.local, and I'm going to hide the screen this time again so you can't see the keyboard. Logging into the Pi, okay, and I'm actually going to log into this other instance. I have 2 terminal instances open, as you saw. Pixelpi.local. Okay, cool. So you can see that we logged into both instances of our Pi, and literally all you have to do is type in Glances. And so now we have our entire setup. I'm going to keep this on the bottom for the entire stream. Actually, I'll probably put this on the top now that I think about it. Yeah, let's do that. Since my face is probably covering most of it. But you can see we have CPU usage, memory usage. So not too much. Like right now, this is the only thing running at 3.8%. Not terrible. Memory usage is a tiny bit higher than you would think. Heat stroke is real. Yes, I hope you're feeling okay, B. And you got some water and stuff. Why do you need a password too? I don't know. I just hadn't set it up. Yeah, I don't know. What's up, Rob All Night? Yeah, great question for, I don't know. I just have not set it up. Hey, Jason, welcome. If you type in exclamation point today, you'll learn a little bit more about working, but we're setting up a RTMP Docker container on our Raspberry Pi today. Yeah, I mean, this was just a quick setup. Like, I haven't done much into it, but yeah, good thing to look into. I'm good, drinking lots. Awesome, glad. Drink. Cheers, thanks for the water. Appreciate ya. But yeah, so this is our setup for today. Really excited to see it. Yeah, and you can also see that our network will show what's going through our Ethernet, what's going through our Docker stuff here as well. And then what else? Yeah, and then just all the processes. Like this thing is freaking sick, man. So wow, this actually does take a solid amount of CPU, 7.6. Rip, that's actually kind of average, maybe? I guess it depends. We'll see how our load is once we do that, but this will be good for now for monitoring stuff. The local domain, so all it is I just set up my Pi to be called Pixel Pi, and then if you do like Pixel Pi .local, this is .local just is on my local network, so it searches for that name within my local network, and I've set my Pixel or my Pi to be on a static IP, so it'll never change. Udary, welcome. Chug coffee. Cheers, thanks for the coffee. As you can see here, it's cold, as I am wearing long sleeves. Or I'm just cold. But, you know. Alright, so we're in our Pi, we're doing that. And yesterday when I was doing a little bit of research, I found this thing. And it was on Docker Hub. It was actually, it seemed really straightforward. It's it's this RTMP container that I believe should work on our Pi, hopefully. But literally all you have to do is just run the container, open it to some port, and then open OBS, and then we can try streaming to it from our Mac and see what happens. And it's really that easy without any other custom settings or things like that. But yeah, this is kind of what I was leaning towards. I don't know. Maybe we might want to do a little bit more research on how this thing works in regards to, should we use some other sort of container? Should we do a little bit more like thoughts into why we should use something like this, and go from there. Though this has over 1 million downloads, so I feel like this is probably pretty good. We might want to look at the GitHub as well. Hey, Impress! New here, welcome in. Nice to have you. Really happy to see you. Hope all is well. Hipsters use Markdown for note-taking talk. This is what I use. I'm not too far off. Let's see. Yeah, what? You hipster, you. Yag. MongoDB has over 1 billion? Oh god, it's a lot. I mean, 374 stars, not bad. Nginx RTMP stuff is pretty solid, I'd say. I guess, like, what about all we need to know about RTMP? Like, maybe we should educate ourselves a little bit more on this thing. I don't know, just first one here from 2018. Thanks, Russ. It's plain text with syntax hiding. Terrible. Markdown it is. Okay, so components of RTMP stream. There are 3 main components involved in setting up a stream with RTMP. To understand it, you must familiarize with all 3. So first, the streaming software or encoder. This is the tool or platform used to create a live video. Switcher Studio is an example of a streaming software. Okay. Content delivery network, CDN. This distributes your live video globally. Viewers may watch the video with a little latency delay and buffering as possible. And then, okay, so these two things. And then RTMP, the real-time messaging protocol, is a handshake between the streaming software and the CDN. This handshake is the connection that allows the streaming software to send the video to CDN. Okay. So this would be essentially sending it over to Twitch. Makes sense. Yeah. Well, I mean, like, I know the basic understanding of it, but I don't know the best thing to use, right? Like, I don't know if there's a difference between different sorts, like a RTMP server set up with Nginx or maybe something different, right? Different sort of web server. This doesn't really give me much info. Maybe we should just go to the Wikipedia. Oh, right, because we were talking about this. I was talking about this with other people when we first started thinking about doing this. RTMP was more rudimentary compared to something like, I think it was RTMPE, maybe? Something along those lines. And Press Fisher, thanks for that follow. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you. Okay, so this is just over SSL connection. Encrypted with Adobe's own security mechanism. While the details for the implementation are proprietary, the mechanism uses industry standard cryptographic primitives. Okay. Oh, I see. So these are pretty much just real-time messaging protocols with more security. This one to traverse firewalls, so better for firewall traversal, it looks like. And then chunk stream, RTMFP, the secure real-time media flow protocol suite has been developed by Adobe Systems and enables end users to connect and communicate directly with each other P2P. Okay. Okay. Hey, TuneDev, what's up? Welcome. So if we look at like the protocol here, so after establishing a TCP connection, an RTMP connection is established, first forming a handshake through the exchange of 3 packets from each side, also referred to as chunks in the official documentation. Okay, so these are referred to, okay, that's fine, it's whatever. At this point, the client and the server can negotiate connection by exchanging AMF encoded messages. These include key value pairs which relate to variables that are needed by connection to be established. An example message from the client is invoke a connect with some transaction ID, pass this thing over to it. Okay, that's pretty nifty. All right. Reneri, hey, are you on Mac using Microsoft Edge? I am. Yo, the new Edge Chromium top tier. Highly recommend. The Flash Media Service and other implementations uses the concept of an app to conceptually define a container for audio and video and other content implemented as a folder. On the server root, which contains the media files to be streamed, the first variable contains the name of this app as sample. I see. Okay, so then it comes back with that success. That's troll? What do you mean that's troll? I'm straight up, man. Yeah, so Microsoft Edge came out with a new version probably like 3 months ago now? 4 months maybe? I can't remember. Time is not a thing anymore. Sometime in the past, and they it's now built on Chromium. So I use that at work all the time, and I decided to start using it with all my personal machines, and I love it. Yeah. Okay, so RTMP is implemented at these 3 stages: live video encoder, live and on-demand media streaming server, live and on-demand client. So I think we're this live and on-demand media streaming server, because I think the encoding, I would hope the encoding for our streams that are coming from our Tesla are actually going to be happening on device. Edge does not have the edge. Excuse myself. Really? Actually pretty great. Good job. Albion, what's up? No one, absolutely no one. Pixelogic, maybe we should go to Wikipedia to learn using Edge. Welcome. We do things differently here. Okay, I mean, I think this pretty much makes sense. I think it's exactly what we want to do, and kind of following from what our Docker container does here. Let's just go ahead and download this thing and see what happens. So if we take a look right now, if we do docker ps-a, you'll see that we have this one container here. This was our container that we made last Thursday for our node.js server. We don't really care too much about that right now. We really just want to download our newest Docker container, and we'll go from there. How do I download this thing? Oh, here it is. Cool. Let's try it out, see what happens. .NET Signal R to do this? If they have something in Docker, possibly. I don't know much about it though. Would love to know more information if you have some curious. See ya. Alright, so we're pulling down the latest of this Nginx RTMP server. Oh man, look at that. 84, it shot up to 84% CPU usage. 307? My god. Wowza. What's our temp? What's our temp? There was a temp thing here. Oh man, where did it go? I thought there was. I saw it yesterday. That's what I was really curious about, was the temperature. High CPU IO waiting. Yeah, so the other big thing is that since our Raspberry Pi is using a micro SD card, right? Like obviously it's gonna pause as it waits to unpack things and like that, read and write from it. Hey Rushki, yeah, Docker is great, man. I'm really happy that we're using it. I'm really happy that I'm sitting down and just taking time to learn it. Real-time message? No, so essentially what's happening, well, in a sense, we're looking for a way to stream video content from a camera in anywhere, essentially. And that, in our server that we're setting up right now, we'll actually go ahead and take that content, do some stuff with it, and then restream it to Twitch. That's really the main goal. So really I want to put this stuff in like an overlay. I want to grab the different cameras and do like just line them up in different ways before we stream to Twitch. That looks wild. Hey guy, yeah, it's pretty crazy, right? There was a temperature here. I don't remember. I can't see it. Maybe I lost it. So load memory buffers free. Yeah, I don't know where it was. There was a temp on here. If you see it, let me know. Kasiris, hey! During Docker builds and deploys, you will hit some high numbers on Raspberry Pi. Yeah. It's pretty wild. Alright, cool. So we download the newest image of Docker here. Or not Docker, of the RTMP server. Yeah, I think so. I just did some research yesterday and I found this really cool container here that seems to have a lot of support. So I'm kind of just going to go with it and we're going to see what happens. Yeah. Sirius, what's up? Type sensors in the Pi terminal. Sensors? I don't have any sensors. I don't know if it has some built-in stuff. I had this set up yesterday, and I did see temperatures somewhere. Maybe it's being cut off because of the size of the window or something. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right for now. Oh, it shows temp when available. Yeah, thanks, Sergio. I appreciate that. Awesome. So now if we do, oh man, what was the other command? I'm going to forget a lot of my Docker commands, so bear with me. Shade Strike 7. Thanks a lot, follow. Welcome to the team. Is it Docker? How do I list all my images? List all images, Docker. Oh, Docker image ls, yeah. Yep. I always forget that. Cool, yeah, so we'll see. This guy's 851 megabytes. This guy was 82. We're just gonna keep this on here for now. We should probably update that at some point to actually do something. Okay, awesome. So now that we have that set up, now we just literally have to start it. So essentially what we're saying here is, for the simplest case, just run the container with this image. So Docker run, we're going to pass it to port 1935. And that's it. All right, so let's get it running. White Rose, hey, thanks so much for that follow. Welcome to the team. Oh, oops. Okay, so we started our Docker container. And you can see here that we probably should have some stuff starting here with Docker. Let's take a look at our running containers. Oh, it exited. Uh-oh, something broke. Docker logs. Execution user process caused execution format error. Oh no. Oh. Okay, so this happened before. Is it could it possibly be an ARM thing? Let's look up what this error is. Yeah, I think this is literally the same thing that we had before. Yeah, so we still need to have support for ARM, the ARM architecture here. I guess we can go to the latest build. Or releases? To use logs commands, you have to point to the container non-image. Oh. The container, not an image. Oh, container ID. I see. Cool. Thanks for that heads up there, Albion. Yeah. Well, that actually worked. I just pointed it to the name of the container. Builds are in tabs. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. So, yeah, I don't think this will actually work, right? Because if this was the case, then it would have an ARM architecture, not AMD 64 or or maybe? I'm not entirely sure. Curious. No. I mean, you might need to build the container manually from the Docker file. You can use the name of the container. It does the same thing. You might need to build the container manually from the Docker file. Oh, I see. Okay. Zerius1, thanks for that follow. Welcome to the team. Mr. Moosh! One day I'll be off work and we'll catch your stream from start to finish. Hope you're good. Just came on to say hi. Moosh, I appreciate you, friend. Hey, I set up the closed captioning. I hope you see that, and I hope it works. Hope it's working well. Appreciate you for saying hi, my friend. Yeah, it's not built for ARM. So you need to build it on your Pi and it will work. I see. Okay. Okay. Cool. So we should try that then, yeah? So this process then is clone or oh, git pull. You literally just said it. Okay, so git pull the repo, then build it. Yeah, it'll be in the. It was the exact same one. And that's because we were using a non-ARM version of node.js. So it was trying to do stuff and it just wasn't working. So okay, so if that's the case, how do we need to figure out how to build this thing, right? Yeah, guy, the CC stuff it's interesting. Our yeah, Roar, so this package that we're using, maybe I should look for another one that's built for ARM already. I mean, we can always do that too. But it's not built for ARM. Yeah, so it's not actually going to work. So if we actually want it to run locally, or we want to run on our Pi, we have to build it on the Pi, right? That's what I'm understanding. All right, let's see this. Yeah, I first wanted to see if there's a an ARM version of this. Oh, wait, what? I'm confused. No. Oh man, mixed signals here. Well, I'm gonna keep researching it, so I'd love to hear all of your thoughts on like these things. This did say Pi, right? Was I crazy? Okay. Yeah, but it wasn't built. I mean, it shows that it's not built for ARM. I could do with having an ice cream right now. That's heck yeah, friend. Yeah, I'm sure it's super hot over where we are. Is this the same? No, this is a different one. This sort of actually does look like the same thing for sure. Yusuf, thanks for that follow. Welcome. Thanks for that, Sergio. Yeah. Thanks for the link, Roars. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, yeah. So, all right. So here's the thing that this is what I was originally looking at. I was a little concerned about it though, because this is not running in a Docker container. This is just setting up like the Raspberry Pi to utilize Nginx itself, right? Which is, I don't know if that's something we want to do. I wanted to Dockerize it so we could have that separate. And the thing is, I don't know enough about. We'd have to look it up. Like if I install Nginx like this, right? I have to. Essentially, it's going to. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not even sure. I like the fact that the Docker container was just all contained like that. Oh, it's the reason why ARM is an issue is because the container we were looking, or the Docker, the container that we were looking at didn't have a build for ARM. So when you'd run it, it doesn't work. Yeah. Carl, 24K. Thanks for that follow. Welcome in. You can just make your Docfile pull Debian or something. I think you might need to either set it up manually and build the container by hand if you want to deploy it on the fly. I see. The Docfile, you basically pull an Ubuntu image on the Docker container and build it that way. Yeah, I feel like I want to stay with this idea of using Docker containers. So, okay, so if that's the case, yeah, I feel like that is something I do want to do. Yeah, so if that's the case, you need to edit then the Docker file, right? And then also this Docker file has, or I guess it doesn't have a lot. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. It had like a solid amount of support on it, right? So cool. Yeah, let's look at the Docker file. Okay, so install dependencies. Decompress Nginx. The default puts everything usual on Nginx. Okay. Where? So build pack there. If I remember from our... What is... This is where we define what, like, OS we want to bring in, right? Just took the plunge on the new gaming laugh out coming Tuesday? Ooh. Which one? Tell me more, Dynamite. The base container. I see. Yeah. Yeah, or just git pull and try to build it. Yeah, I mean, essentially that's what we could do, right? Because then we wouldn't have to mess with the Docker file or the, yeah. Oh, so if you need to modify the configuration, you can create file nginx conf. Oh no, that's something else. Oh, wait. This image is built from the same base official images that most of the other official images as Python, Node, Postgres, Nginx, specifically build pack deps, which is in turn based on Debian. Okay, so if you have any other image locally, you probably have the base image layers already downloaded. Interesting. Yeah, I did. The whole problem was this. This is what we got last time, and this was, again, from the fact that we didn't have an ARM-based version of Node. Yeah. Then Docker build. Okay. Yeah, I just want to... I'm trying to learn more about this. So this is interesting, though. So the build pack deps here is based on Debian. So you would think that that would maybe work, but I guess it's that just because it's based on it doesn't mean that it's built for that architecture, right? Something like that. Okay. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, cool. If that doesn't work. Because it also looks like, I mean, you could just take the build pack dependencies and maybe add something. I don't know. Not entirely sure. Kind of like we were talking about editing the Docker file, right? Okay, so then if that's the case, let's go ahead and I'm going to do that. But I first want to delete. Oh. Yeah, I first want to delete this. It's built for ARM. Okay. Awesome. Cool. So, I gotta remember, how can I Docker quick commands. I'm gonna need to save this because I'm gonna forget them all. Give me a cheat sheet. I'm gonna save this if this is any good. Okay. Yes. Let's just save that there. Docker RM, right? Docker RM. Oh, that's a repository. The container name. Or you can do Docker prune, right? That's just gonna remove all of my stuff, which is fine. Okay, yeah. Docker prune -a. Oh, image prune. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we did Docker ps-a. These things are still here. I'm confused. Remove container? Docker RM. And then I guess we can just do like nginx RTMP. Oh, I was about to do git status. Okay, nice, nice. Cool, cool. And then if I did docker image ls. So I also want to delete this image, right? That's the other thing I would like to remove. Oh, Docker RMI. Yeah, okay. Hold up. Let me write these down. Okay. Remove Docker image, because obviously what I saved wasn't any good. Docker RMI. Image name. And then remove Docker container. Docker RM container name. Okay. All right, so Docker RMI. Where did you go? Nginx RTMP. Nginx. Do I have to do? Oh, image ID. Hey, Hubello. Yeah, thank you. It's called Bear. Just type an ! Bear in chat if you're interested to check it out. Yeah, it's a great one. Mark Mullen, welcome. Yep, got the ID. Thanks. Docker image ls. Boom. Okay, cool. So we're gonna keep that one there. So now what we need to do is just pull the repo, and then we can just do Docker build on that thing, right? So if we go over to this guy, let's get our this thing here. We'll do a git clone. Pass this dude in here. Oh, rip. Oh, is it just git pool actually? Do I have to install git on my Pi? Rip. McAnders, hey, just to find the platform in the Docker file. Yeah, so I'm not, we're trying to build this thing first. Yeah, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I guess I don't have git installed on my Pi. I thought it came with git, no? Hey, Wizard, I like watching people code, although I had no idea what's going on. Well, hopefully I'll be able to explain to you a little bit what we're doing. And we'll go from there. Yeah, interesting. Okay. So can we install git Raspberry Pi? Is there a different way to install git on a Pi? I don't think so. I think we can just do it, right? Yeah, just with apt. Okay. Yeah, Rushy, that's what we're trying to do, but we don't have git, so I can't pull it. apt-get install. Okay. Yeah, I guess this is probably a good thing to have on our Pi anyways, right? Oh. Permission denied, eh? Oh, I have to do sudo, right? Apt install git. Secret it up. So we're installing git now. My password. All right. There we go. Yeah, that's fine. 32.3 megabytes of disk space. Yes, I've never, I mean, I use Mac OS, I guess, right? Which is Ubuntu, right? But I don't not really use Linux like this. Hey, Slavnik, what's up? Unix, yeah. Okay, so now if I do git, there we go. All right, so now we have git. Now we can install this thing. Yeah, brew. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and grab this again. Boom. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. So we got it. And then now he says do Docker build, right? So I guess the thing is, okay, cool. So we just have it there. So we just be able to do Docker build. Oh God, no. Right? I think that's all about it. Okay, building it. Here we go. Let's see what we got. So building this container then locally on our Pi, it should install this image for us, and then we should just be able to run it as so. The only difference is since we're now building it on the Pi, so since we're building on the Pi, it should just automatically detect the ARM architecture, right? And so we shouldn't run into any issues at that point and download the respected dependencies based on that. What's up, Druid? Install ZSH on Pi and oh my ZSH for more company if you like. No, I mean, everything's cool. Like I'm just going through this again, like just learning. I appreciate the recommendation though. Don't forget to tag it. Oh, I see. Okay, so we build and then I forget the git tag command. Git tag. Or is it just git tag or docker tag? Docker tag? Okay, yeah, it's just whatever that thing we want to call it. Casters, yeah, for sure. Totally get that. Yeah, nice. Mr. Schnub, hello. Always tempted to get a pie, but I can never think of anything good to use it for. Schnub, I'm telling you, you can use this for literally anything. It is highly exciting. I would highly recommend it. I would highly recommend it. Yeah, Docker build. Oh, I already built it. RIP though. Yeah, so we probably should stop then, right? RIP. Yeah, we should probably do that. Oh. Okay. Yeah, good call. Good call. So if I do this, then we need to do Docker. Docker build. Tag it. Wait, for the tag though. Hey, beat one. Yeah, for anything retro gaming, that's for sure. Hold on. We did this last week, right? No, what was it? I wanted to look at the guide we went through last week. Something like this. You can also tag after build though? Yo, rip. Okay. Druid Muffin, thanks for that follow. Welcome to the team. Nice to have you. Well, either way, we already canceled it, right? So if I do tag here, Docker build tag. I was looking for something that we use. Oh, I think it was literally just right there. Okay, building your image. So go to the directory that your Docker file and run the following command to build a Docker image. The T flag lets you tag your image so it's easier to find later using the Docker images command. Oh, right. Okay, so it's Docker build. Here. But then for us, I have a 2 GB Pi on the way. Gonna be fun. Heck yeah. Or 2 8 GB Pis. Oh, snap. Nice. Yeah, I got the 4 gig version. Either way, really exciting stuff. Heck yeah, I hope to see you build some cool stuff with it. Okay, so Docker build. We did -t. -t. I guess it doesn't really matter the order, right? And then Ada Lanch is my Docker image. And then yeah, whatever this thing is called, right? Which is just this. Okay, so again, it's Docker build -t Ada Lanchin. That, like that. Oh, it would be like this, right? Yeah. XLD, thanks for that follow. Welcome. Webcam watching a coffee pot is one thing. Watching a bathroom is a big no. What the heck? My context on this is weird. I probably should just get one. Tinker about it. I like the idea of a Plex media server. Yeah, that was another thing I wanted to throw in here as well. Is some Plex stuff. Thought it would be fun. Oh, gotcha. I see. So Harry used a Pi for the bathroom without leaving my room. Yes. Okay. So that it was actually really funny. In my old place I used to live in with my housemates, we used to share a bathroom, and so one of the things I used to say is like, oh, we should do this one thing where, you know, we have like a light outside of the room to show if it's like to have a sensor that if there's someone in the bathroom, the light's red and then else is green. I never set it up because I just got the Pi, but yes. Yeah, thanks, Harry. Yeah, Docker cache, fantastic there. Very helpful in this situation. So folks who are just joining in, we are setting up a RTMP Nginx image on our Raspberry Pi, so we can stream content from our from cameras from our Tesla into this thing and eventually to Twitch. So we just downloaded an image that should help us get started here, and once this thing is running, we can actually test it out right now. Hey, Rai, what's up? Nice to see you. Welcome. Things are going well. How are you? Sphispheric, hello. Also, Google and look into the Pi microcode update so you can boot up from USB rather than SD card. Oh, good call. Interesting. Good call. Thanks for that. Let's Pi microcode update. Let's see. Pi microcode update. Boot from USB. Mark that down for sure. Thanks for that. Is there a command or something that notes about your Pi setup? I'm curious as what OS you installed. Yeah, exclamation point Pi. Oh well, it more so doesn't give the OS. It just tells what model it is. We're just running what's called Raspberry Pi OS now. Yeah, the light version of Raspberry Pi OS. Yeah, Harry, I get you. Nice. See you, Dynamite. Thanks for hanging out. Oh, an Arduino Nano? Yeah, good call, McAnders, for sure. Yeah, this world of like these small computers is absolutely insane. It's incredible. Welcome back, Silly. Good, Ryu. I'm glad to see you're doing well. ACM, hello. Did you SSH into the Pi? I did. Yeah, so these are both terminal instances. This top one is the actual live stats of our Pi. So you see CPU usage, memory usage, as well as the processes that are currently running over here. So yeah, that's up. And then we just built and installed our Docker container for the RTMP server. Oh, interesting. So it build pack deps. I wonder if we probably need that, right? And then now we have the Avalanche Nginx RTMP Docker container right there. So now we should just be able to start this thing, right? See how it goes? Yeah, so light because I know I'm never going to use a GUI. So there's no point in installing it. I think it's a couple gigs less, honestly, so it's worth it. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's true, Cypher. Holy crap. I totally forgot about that. It's wild. Nice, Silly. All right, so let's run this thing now. Let's see how it goes. So hopefully we shouldn't run into any issues. The whole reason why we did this is so we made sure it built for the proper architecture. How to use yes. Okay, so Docker run, we'll point to port 1935 here with name. We just do that, and then we're gonna point to the Avalanche Nginx RTMP Docker. I accidentally added Docker to the name. RIP. That's okay. Okay, so that's starting and running. I'm curious to see if we run into any issues here. So if we do docker ps-a. Hell yeah. Up 11 seconds. We didn't crash, folks. Woo! Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Here we go. Is that a Razer keyboard? No, this is a Corsair keyboard right here. Yeah, Corsair. I forget the model of it. Hell yeah, folks. We're running. We're up. Thanks for all of your help. Wow, this is great. Just like that. It's beautiful. Okay. Yeah, Docker is awesome. Hype. Yes. Okay. So now what does all of this mean? Why did we do this? Again, to kind of bring this all back into context for everyone. We have a Raspberry Pi, a tiny computer that's running in a bookshelf somewhere in my home, connected to the internet, running Docker. Docker, we now have a Docker container that is running this Docker image, which is an Nginx RTMP service. This service is now going to ingest video from a source that we send to it. So the outcome of this would be, we have 3 GoPros on our Tesla. Each one of those GoPros is sending a live feed directly to our Raspberry Pi. And at that point, our Raspberry Pi should be able to manipulate it in ways that we need to before sending that stream, that video stream, off to Twitch. So we can now test that locally. Yeah, by actually just going through OBS even. And OBS is going, we'll just stream something from my laptop right now and test to see if that thing is working. If our server is actually going to be ingesting this stuff. And at the same time, we can monitor our CPU usage and see how this thing holds up while we're sending data to it. You can also see that we'll have network stuff coming in through here as well in our Docker container. Zyfac, thank you for the follow. Welcome. You really have to touch it? Oh, dope. Yeah, I'm not that level yet, but hopefully I will be one day. Casters, yeah, hell yeah. Squiggly, what's up? Thanks for checking out what we're doing today. Yes, sir. Yeah, exclamation point today will tell you a little bit more about it. Yeah, crazy, right, Cypheric? Absolutely insane. Like, just thinking about any of this stuff, it's cool. All right, let me hide this real quick. I don't remember what I haven't opened OBS on my Mac in quite some time. So let me, I don't think there's anything really on here. Yeah, actually we're good. Okay. So I did this thing. Let's just create a new scene here. Yo. The classic. Oh my gosh. This will be a treat for anyone that has been on the stream for the past few years. I used to stream from my MacBook. And for my old job, I used to travel a lot for work. Oh, we still got this set up nice. So I used to do my live streams in hotel rooms before I'd start work. Man, do I have it here? I don't think so. Oh man. Yeah, like all this stuff is all crap right now. But yeah, these are, let's see if we have anything else here. AR? I did some AR stuff. Yeah, all of the assets are gone because I've deleted them, but Dedicated, what's up? Welcome. Oh, classic. Classic. Hey, Yag. Hello. Anyways, let's go ahead and create just something new here. What's this Tesla related stuff? Yeah, so we just set up our RTMP service on our Raspberry Pi. So we're actually going to go ahead and see if we can stream to our RTMP server on our Pi. Hell yeah. All right. Yeah, thanks, YagandB. Appreciate you. Yeah, Ryu, hell yeah. Squiggly Nibs, thanks for that follow. Welcome. All right, so pretty much all we have to do, I think. Settings, go to stream, set up custom server. Okay, so settings, custom server, IP of host, and then live. Okay, so, oh yes, let me actually hide this because stream, custom. Okay, cool. But all confidential. I'm really curious what we're working on. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, so I've been really interested in trying to figure this stuff out. But really what's been going on, Dedicated, is I have a Model 3. I've done a couple live streams where I do road trips around the US, and I've ran into a lot of problems. And it's mainly been how I want my live stream set up to be. And let me go here real quick. This is a good explanation for pretty much everyone. One of the big issues is running into cellular service, like content of the stream, and just like adding some customizability, I guess, if that's a word. So this project is essentially a way to do a live stream road trip in my Tesla. So one of the main things I wanted to do was figure out a way to hack into the cameras of the Tesla, but that's not something I'm capable of doing or have any knowledge on how to do it. So trash that. Essentially what we want to do is set up three different types of GoPro cameras that are now going to be streaming content from the Tesla Drive into a Raspberry Pi I have set up at my home, and then manipulate that and do all that stuff and send it over to Twitch for the live stream. We're gonna add a bunch of different commands with some API setup, all that type of stuff. So it's really kind of this like all-in-one solution of doing a road trip live stream in a Tesla. So yeah, but I have been trying to talk to people. There's someone else last week who came on stream that told me about some like there's a community of people that work on like Tesla stuff, and if you have any information on like how I can join these groups or any groups about like this kind of Tesla hacking type stuff, I would love to know. But yeah, that's kind of the TLDR of everything. I need an option to redeem when Alec Humblebrax. Oh, because they have a Model 3. Rip. Yeah, that's right, Beat One. Key them on Reddit. Yo, those are so sad. But yes, they do have keys all over the place. Or cameras all over. Yeah, exactly, Dedicated. Like there's a whole world of all this stuff that can open up. So, and it's like the big thing is there's a lot of people that are that really enjoy like these live streams of driving around the US, especially if they're not from the US, and it's a lot of fun. And I think there's a lot of really cool stuff we can do with it to kind of show off. I like to show off the autonomous driving, right? Like all that type of stuff. It's a really great deal. Yeah, so I thought this would be a fun kind of side project to work on that. All right, let's go ahead and put in our settings here. So this was 192.168.1.23 is our IP address here. Stream key is key as it noted. Press OK. That will be used later in the client URL to display the specific stream, for example, test. Oh, use a key. I see. Let's actually change this. I work. I date an Xbox model. I mean, Xbox models. I'm free. I'm available. Show me the way. You need a port? Probably right. Yes, you're probably right there. Let's do our stream key, ya boy Alec. Cause why not? Why not, ya boy Alec? And then the port. Yeah, so the port that we were using was Docker ps dash a. That's not it. Docker ps dash a. 1935. Okay. 1935. What's up, K4? Is there a reason why you chose Raspberry to be your streaming server versus using a cloud instance? Yeah, one, I wanted to learn how to use Raspberry Pi. Two, to see if it was possible. Three, I don't have to pay for my Raspberry Pi. Cloud instance, I would have to eventually pay for stuff. And given that these live streams can be anywhere from, I don't know, 4 to 16 hours long, like that's a lot of money. Yeah. So we're making our own solution. And yes, Yag's also right. Cellular connections in rural areas too. The 360 will turn your world. No. No. This is so good. I love it. So good. Yes, also keeping it private by not sending it to the cloud. 100%. Yep. Red Dead Redemption 2. Nice. Yeah, dedicated. That's one thing that I definitely want to look more into. Right now, this is all just local, right, on my local network. So once we start exposing things to the outer world, we'll definitely need to, we'll definitely need to figure out a proper way to do this. Click OK. Okay, in sources, add a plus button, select a source, screen capture, configure as you need. Okay, so let's add a source. What should we do? Let's just display capture? Sure. Oh my lord, no. Let's not do that. Let's do window capture. There we go. Well, let's do the bear app. Easy peasy. Old Dado, what's up? Welcome. Yeah, you do a good job, Boris. I appreciate the genuine laughs, so thank you. We looked at the cost of doing it in the cloud, and it worked out like $1,500 a stream. Wow. Yeah, no, I do not have the budget for that. I don't have that money. Okay, and then select start streaming. Open VLC player. It also works with Raspberry Pi. Click in the media menu. Click open network stream. Enter URL from above. Replacing. Oh, so that's it. We just press start streaming. Okay. Let's see. Do we get? Oh my gosh! You see that? Look! 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 You see it? Yo, we're getting data. We're getting data. Holy Jesus. Okay, how do I do this now? What do we do now? What's next? What's next? OMX player? How? Oh, I can just go here, right? You did it? Holy crap, it's working. Data. Your stream's over. We don't need anything else. Yes, setting, we're just now streaming this to our container. Yeah, our Raspberry Pi. Yeah, VLC. GG's. So should we try, do I have VLC? I don't think I have VLC on here. Yeah, okay, let's download VLC. Easy. Hey, easy. All right, and so right now with this taking this stream, I mean, it's just this thing. 5.5% CPU usage, 8.8% memory usage. Woo! Only took us 90 minutes? A. All right. I don't want to talk about it. All right. It me, Zook. Morning. Salute, Zook. You use some hydrate or dehydrate. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna hydrate a little bit. Surge70, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Let's open up this file. Really makes me feel uneasy. I know, okay, I know people are always get a little triggered. But the reason why I use this is because I use the new Edge Chromium at work. I love it. So I decided to use it on my personal machines and it's been great. Best decision ever. I really like it because I'm a big Chrome user. So I've constantly just use, think it's a better replacement to Chrome in my experience. Oh, what? Hello? Oh, it's still copying. That's weird. No, it's taking so long. One more time. Case variable, thank you. Sounds good, Zook. Harry, would using a Bluetooth mouse near a fan cause connection problems by blowing the Bluetooth connection around? I don't know. I don't know. Safari on Linux. Hey, there we go. There we go. IE11 is the best. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, that and I mean, there's no scientific proof around what I'm about to say, but I feel as though it feels more responsive. So that's why I use it. It feels more responsive to me. Okay, so it was click media, open network stream, media, open network. Oh baby, here we go. And then, yeah, it's just our, this thing, and then it's 192.168.1.23, and then it was your boy Alec. All right, you ready? Folks, this is the moment of truth. We're about to see the live stream coming directly from our Pi in something right now, in VLC. Oh, it's gonna get real. Here we go. Here we go. Open it up. Oh, at the grant access? RIP. Okay, let's grant access real quick. Let's go. Hold on. One second. Yo. It works. That is so sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. Okay. Hold up. Oh, switch my screen. Sorry. Rip. Thank you. There it is. I promise I'm a professional streamer. All right, to verify this is working, just, you know, for all the haters, let's do this. Hey, this is actually working. Look. Oh my god, this is so epic. Holy crap, man. Okay, so this is a good, like, 3 to 4 second delay though. Yes. B1, thanks for the follow. Welcome. First try Pog. Let's go. Thanks, Sergio. Yeah. Now stream something that moves to see how it handles. Yes. Okay, we should do that. Yeah, it is pretty high latency for sure, McAnders. Yeah. 100%. I don't know why. Yeah, I think it should be relatively straightforward, but I'm not sure. Oh no, my Mac is connected via wireless. That's probably why. So we have a wireless setup that's in a mesh network. I know mesh networks are a little iffy. So the Pi's connected wired, laptop is wireless, so that could potentially be why. Bad Balo, what's up? Thanks for that follow. Pocket, sorry. Hello. Video compression is OBS? Yeah, I think so. I don't know what I have my settings at. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Let's go to our settings. Let's try to clean this up a little bit. We'll get a YouTube video playing and go from there. See what's up. Big Jam Dodd, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Yo, this is so epic, man. Yeah. Okay, let's go to 60 FPS. Okay. Should we just get an Edge browser up? Nginx 3D, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Bitrate? Yeah, oh, bitrate. Yeah, let's take a little look-see at that as well. That's fine. It doesn't need to be anything crazy. Like, let's just do 3200. I don't want it to mess with, like, my stream here. I don't think it should, but... Okay, let's do... Edge. Just a YouTube video, I guess? The real test would eventually be actually setting this thing up to... Go here real quick. To actually be setting this thing up to... stream from like a camera or something and see how that goes. Hey, thanks, Nginx. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's a great keyboard. Play your own YouTube? 100%. What, do you think we're not going to do that? Come on now. We'll watch one of our videos from old Docker from last week. Oh, this is actually a great time. Before we do that, let me, I would love to see if this thing works. Hey, Maelstorm, what's up? Too much Alec. Too much Alec. Too little time. Yeah, for sure. For sure. All that stuff we're going to have to figure out. 100%. Okay, folks, I want to try. I set up the Mac audio yesterday. And so I wanted to try it out and see if it actually is working. Why is this so low? So we're going to play this here. Hopefully we get something. Let me know if you all can hear it, and I'm going to adjust the volume accordingly. No! Stop! God damn it. Yeah? Hello? Thank you for... How's the audio? Is it loud enough? Is it not loud enough? For that 5 months there, friend. Yes, it sounds better than before, right? And like, I can hear it now through my headphones. Folks, welcome. Happy Thursday. Welcome to Tesla Thursdays. Oh, a little echoey? Sorry, I was trying to say hello. How about that? Can you hear that? All the peeps here. Who did I miss? Alpha, hello. Aaron. Ayo, welcome, welcome. Okay, Jack, yeah, hello. That's better. Okay, I think what was happening, it was coming through my folks, if you through my output, and it was also coming through my input. Make sure you give a huge shout out to it was playing through both. Enoch app in chat. He made much better. All those drone shots. Awesome. Okay. You're looking for some fancy drone shots to put in your. Yo. Okay, great. Yeah, so we got it set up. That's it. Great. I just wanted to make sure that was working because I set it up yesterday. Invalid payload. Hey, what's up? Avalav, thanks for the follow, by the way. Welcome. Yeah. So I had to set up a bunch of crap, or it's essentially just work through how I was doing it, for sure. Maelstorm, what did you send here? Oh no! Yo, that is so lit. Hell yeah. Why sideways though? But this is awesome. Yes. The Twitch app on Tesla is awesome. By the way, if any of you did not know, there is a Twitch app in the Teslas that you can watch. Yo, that is sick, man. Look, mom, I'm on the telly. Yes. And we see it. We see it got a little something down here, huh? A little something playing around with. A little something we playing around with there. Yo, that's awesome. Thanks for sharing that with me. Okay, so to get back to this, we need to go to OBS. Where are you, OBS? I closed it. And let's add this thing here. Another humble bragger. Harry, hey, BT dubs. If you're going to buy a Tesla, use that referral code, please. Gets Dr. Dynamite to print her a Tesla. Downloads a Tesla. Yeah, you didn't know? Yeah, use that code right there. Let's get those supercharging miles. Oh my god, this is terrible. Okay, so let's capture this thing. All right. We're gonna do this. Yes, let's go over here. Let's full screen this bad boy. How many free miles do you have left? I have 0. I used all 5,000 of them. Yup. Oh, because I have it here. It's one thing about OBS on Mac that I've never liked. It always puts things ahead. Yeah, I used them all. Yep. Dude, I did a lot of road trips. What can I say? What can I say? Okay. So we're gonna start the stream now. I guess let's play this. OBS, hello? Oh, it has to probably be on the same deal, maybe? Okay, OBS on Mac does not like that. Okay. Yeah, well, so I did 2 big road trips, so it was definitely a lot. How much does it cost? I don't know. I haven't gone to a supercharger in quite some time, because I don't drive my car a lot anymore. The screen recording or the window capturing on Mac seems kind of crappy, for sure. But anyways, let's start streaming it. Let's see what happens. If we go back over here, yeah, we'll see we're getting a lot more data now coming through our tunnel. VLC. Where are you, VLC? Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. That looked like it was a bad time. Okay. Here we go. Dude, what is up with this thing? This is really annoying. So like you literally can't. Hold on. Oh God. OBS, hello? Where are you, OBS? Minimize you. Okay. I think that should do the trick, hopefully. There we go, maybe? Yeah, Pocket, exactly. I mean, this is... Given the Mac capture, right? This looks pretty solid, I'd say. So again, folks, for anyone who's joining in, anyone who doesn't know what's going on, we are streaming a video from our Mac right now into our Raspberry Pi server that's set up with RTMP. So we're streaming this stream from OBS to the Raspberry Pi. Yeah, no, it's clean for what it is. 100%. 100%. I'm really happy with it. What? I mean, screen capture and OBS on Windows is much better. So I think it's the Mac. A second Twitch account and test to see how bad it gets on the relay. Oh man. Yes, we will have to do that stuff for sure. CPU load. Yo, honestly, not bad at all. 5.4%. Let's bring this over here though, so we can. Yeah, because that's gonna do that. Honestly, not bad at all. That is not bad at all. This is the only thing running, right? So we'll be running a couple other things, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, memory 8.9%. Ah, man, where's my freaking temperature? I wish it would show me the temperature. It did yesterday. I can't find it today. Yeah, the Pi, exactly. That's the beauty of it, right? All the encoding's happening already on OBS. So all it is really ingesting the stream, which is freaking awesome. So that's really good. And that's the same thing. It's gonna be the same concept. When we have our GoPro set up, I believe the GoPro app will do the encoding and then just tunnel that off into the Raspberry Pi. All right, I'm gonna leave this for a second. I really gotta pee, so we'll keep it on this screen for now. And yeah, just kind of we'll see how this keeps going. And I will be right back in literally 1 minute. So don't go anywhere. Yeah, don't go anywhere. Yep, BRB. Alo Polo? Nah, Alo. Mustafa, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Yeah, this looks pretty sweet, man. I'm happy. I'm honestly impressed at how well this seems to be working. Yes. I think so. Obviously, this is all local, right? So we have to give it a little bit of leeway. Yes, we're going on a Tesla adventure soon, right? You 100%. Yeah, you're gonna have to ingest the stream though. Stream through Pi anyway when you broadcast to Twitch, so watch out for that. Yeah, okay, so that part I don't know exactly how it's gonna work. That's the one thing I've been wanting to try to understand. Let me hear that compression. Hey, how's it? Yo, Aaron, let me know. I worked on it last night. It sounds pretty good, I think. Lasan, hola, welcome. Hola. Okay, so So. It's on point. Hey, thank you. Yo, it feels so good to not have to worry about not have to worry about freaking having my face up against the mic. So I think I did a fairly good job on it. I'm happy with it. Thank you for getting me to actually do it. All right. So now that we got that going, I think what we can do, let's open up OBS, stop streaming. See ya. We can close out of this now. And we can close out of this now as well. All right. So pretty much that, okay, that brought our CPU up about like 2-3% usage, which is all good. Let's go ahead and write some of this stuff down. So learnings. Hey, this is oh, yeah, it did actually work. It worked. Oh yeah, Aaron. So that was we were just streaming the locally from our Mac to a Raspberry Pi. So that was a stream going directly to the Raspberry Pi on our local network. So it's freaking awesome. What else we got here? So I think the biggest thing that I keep thinking about right now is security. I guess this is more of like thoughts. Thoughts. We need to think about security. We need to think about exposing this to the outside world. We need to actually test from a mobile device or something to see latency. Anything else that we thought of during this? There was a couple other things, I think. Lasan Fu, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Thinking maybe you won't need to encode ingest on the Pi to broadcast to Twitch. You can just grab the RTMP stream from like a laptop and use it as a source in OBS or something. Yeah, so that's the thing I'm trying to understand. Because essentially the game plan is we would actually use the Pi just as like as a source. So yeah. And so if we have 3 GoPro cameras set up, we could stream them all to three different instances of this, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's going to be a thing we can do, because essentially it'll be 3 different angles unless I can get, yeah, I had to look at the config and I don't know, I'm not sure how that works. This is like definitely past my knowledge point. Yeah, so Cypheric, the Pi is connected via LAN, the laptop was on wireless. Dedicated SSH with username, password, login disabled. SSH hardened and using a key instead should work quite well when also whitelisting your devices if possible. So disable SSH, or disable, yeah, SSH with username and password, and then use a key. Yes, okay. Good call there, dude. So let's see, let's write this down. Disable, we were talking about that earlier today. With key instead, and then whitelist devices if possible. Yeah, cool. See if you get comparable results with wireless. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna try it. The Pi is always gonna be on LAN. So this is actually a pretty solid setup. The main thing is I would love to actually run like another Twitch account on OBS or something. And then at that point, or like use Streamlabs OBS from my phone and stream like that via cellular and see how that works. That's really like the main test. Oh yeah, Mustafa, it's a Mac app. Sorry about that. Look into RTMP low latency configs. Yeah, good call. Good call. How do you get the stream from GoPro? I guess you don't use laptop with OBS stream to Raspberry. That's correct, McAndrews. Yeah, so GoPro actually has in their app, they have a RTMP streaming option. This is something that we looked up a while back. Yeah, it's a while back. So essentially the way that the whole infrastructure of this will work, this is back in like day one and two. It's pretty much with the cameras. So we would set up a consistent network reception. The first step is to get like one of those bonded routers that have the cellular chips in it to get the best network reception possible with like the antennas and all that. And then, yeah, we have a couple GoPro cameras. All of these things will actually be set up with the GoPro. Where's the camera? I don't know. I don't know if we had the notes here about the camera, but yeah, so essentially we just use the app. The phone will be connected to this bonded cellular thing, and then we'll go from there. Yeah. I'd read up on SSH security. Raspberry Pi has a lot of tips about it. Yes, for sure. Dedicated. Thank you. Appreciate that. Think about latency compensation so all cameras are in sync. Latency compensation. Yeah. That's a good call as well. Yeah, awesome. Cool. So that's another big thing. And then really the other really big thing is, how do I get multiple or how do I set up a RTMP server to stream to Twitch? Right, that's the next step. And I think that's just some learnings of like how this thing could work. Yeah, so, okay, and then if you need to modify the configurations, you can create a nginx conf file and replace the one in this image using a Docker file that's based on the image, for example. Yeah, so I guess we can application live on, record off. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff we should probably look at this of how that works. I suggest using Notion, even more cooler than this. You can share with everyone, but no pressure. Thanks, Mustafa. Yeah, we have a couple people in the stream that like Notion a lot. I haven't even tried it. I'm gonna stick with Bear for now. It's a very simple, like, meets all my needs. I don't need anything more than this right now, but I appreciate it. Yeah, Notion and Flutter now, huh? All right, sweet. Yeah, I think that's good. So I guess the other main question is, yeah, I'm really want to actually look at this. How do I set up RTMP server to stream to Twitch? I'm curious to see how that process works. Hey, Hugh, have you tried Notion? God, I'm gonna need to be sponsored by Flutter and Notion soon. Dedicated. Notion is just a note-taking app, or not note-taking app. Like it's a lot more than that. Yeah, someone else here could probably exclaim. Have you tried that there, Notion? Yeah, and it works on Windows. Yeah, but you can do stuff like this, like set up boards and all this crazy stuff and whatever. So yeah, that's a thing. And it has apps for mobile and things like that. So hey, Demon, it's not too hard. Okay. Is slow and hurt? Is it? Doesn't sound special to me. That's right. Yeah, like Trello and such, I would say. But I think it goes above Trello because it's literally like a note-taking app to begin with as well. There's a Docker image that sets up ramp with WebViewer, but Flash. Oh, this link. Yep. Let's see. Thanks, Demon. No, McAndrew. So from my understanding, what you should be able to do is you should be able to connect all your multiple GoPros to one device, and then you can stream all that from there. Kill it with fire. Get Flash out of here. Any Vim wiki users? Not over here, Goose. So you just add push RTMP other streaming servers key to your config. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, so we did this stuff. Yep, so this is the Nginx RTMP config that we saw as well. Okay, so what now? You can add the stream to OBS itself using the media source or VLC source, or using something like JW Player to play back the RTMP stream on a website you set up. You can also use your RTMP server to forward other streaming service channels underneath the record offline. You're just going to add the following line. Oh, nice. So that's it. It's literally just adding that. It's literally just adding that. You all are fools. I'm not a big expert here, but a random thought. Have you used ROS before? And if you can help in your project. What's ROS? I'm not sure what that is. Unmute. Wonder why Twitch isn't playing audio for you. But hey, we have closed captions now, so hopefully that's on, at least. So it looks like what we can do here. Actually, I guess let's go to the Pi. Let's just throw that in there. So if we do ls cd nginx, yeah, and then oh god, you have to do, is it just nano nginx? Yeah, cool. Yeah, so then it would just be right here, right inside this guy. Pretty much we just add that. Easy. Okay. We should actually just grab this whole thing. Ugh. All right, so nice. Easy peasy, dude. Just, yeah, just writing this down here. And then, yeah, whatever that thing is. Awesome. Okay, let's see. McAndrews, remember a proper data plan from GoPro Fact. When streaming from personal hotspot, you can expect to use 2 gigabytes of data per hour. I guess this is PR GoPro. Oh yeah. So at least on my cellular plan right now, I have unlimited stuff. So obviously we probably will hit some throttling at some point. But yeah, that's a good call out for sure, McAndrews. Yeah. What pie top is that? You mean this up here? This is called, oh crap, Glances. It's called Glances. Yeah. It's something that I set up. Yeah. I downloaded the other day. Robotics operating system, but not for specifically robots. It just works good with robots? Okay. Yeah, Demon, that's fine. I'm not going to put it in there now. It's just something to note. Oh, that's cool, Mustafa. I had no idea about that. Taco Bell fast? Yeah. It's going 35 days, 36 days strong, dude. 36 days strong. Found the best one for you? What is this thing? Oh, nice. Yo, hell yeah. Thanks, Demon. Yeah, so for anyone that wants to see this, it's not what I was looking for. Yeah, let's go over here. Pretty sick. So the thing about this is, given the fact, yeah, it depends on where we are, right? It depends on where we are while we're driving. Obviously, we're not going to be in the same spot the whole time. That's the whole point. But I think depending on where we're driving to, we could probably have like a middle area or something like that, you know? But yeah, good call on this. This is great. This is great. This is why we lose sponsorships. No. I know, it's been a while, man. I have been wanting Taco Bell quite badly, though, the past couple days. Okay, cool. So how do we set up RTMP server to stream to Twitch? We need to edit the config to include this. That thing there. So pretty much that. And then I guess we can kind of just like, actually just grab that here. Woo! Get Taco Bell to get your sponsorship back. Man, if I had a Taco Bell sponsorship, you best know I'd be doing that. Can Nginx RTMP module pull automatic from an RTMP source? I don't know. Maybe. That's interesting. I'm not sure. Develop a script to switch the endpoint based on your location. So yeah, that's actually, I was thinking about that, Squiggly. The problem is, I feel as though if you edit your Nginx like config file, you're going to have to shut down the service and restart it, which is not going to be. I'm assuming, I don't know, but I would assume that's what would happen, and then that means the stream would stop. So, or I guess not really. It would just be. Yeah, huh. I don't know. Yeah, maybe just like reload the config or something. Because like, so here's the other thing. So the other thing is, once we get this, right, this will essentially handle our, not YouTube, our, what's this thing here? This will handle our, my brain is freezing right now. Okay, our GoPro streams. we need to know if we can separate out each GoPro to a different RTMP stream. So for example, we have 3 different GoPros. Each of those comes in and then we essentially want to format that somewhere. So, oh man, so this is like the other thing around this, right? How are we going to stream everything from, like, we need still a machine to run OBS on, right? Because at the end of the day, we have the video coming in, but we need to plug that video into an overlay. So like, I don't think you can do overlays on a Raspberry Pi, right? Like can you? I don't know. Like that's kind of weird to think about. How can you set up this overlay to essentially take in content from somewhere else on the RTMP server, paste it in an overlay, and then just stream that off directly? That would be really sick. But again, the Raspberry Pi probably isn't powerful enough. And then, so it would make more sense to do some processing over, well, like we had to process this on something else, right? Like like another computer. Programmer 857, thanks for the follow. It needs more CPU. Yeah, so right now we tested, Demon, I don't know if you're here, but we just did a YouTube video streaming over the local network, and the Raspberry Pi was sitting at 6% CPU utilization. So it's actually pretty good. So it wasn't too crazy, but it may change given like the type of, and that was 1920 by 1080 at 60 FPS streamed to that thing. But it was like 200 bit rate, I think. Yeah, so this is another thing like to really think about. We should revisit the overall streaming flow from car to Twitch. I think that's really the big thing that we need to totally look at for sure. The RTMP module can execute FF MPEG, and FF MPEG can do some magic. Oh, I see. So let's do this. Yeah, okay, someone on the stream last week was talking about this as well. I don't know what this is. So a complete cross-platform solution to record, convert, and stream audio and video. So the other thing is, yes, we also will have a separate audio source, or attempt to have a different audio source, right? So I wanted to get like a lapel mic or something, and then just hook that up. I don't know how to hook that up. Maybe to just one of the GoPros. So one of the GoPros actually takes the audio from the lapel mic. Cause yeah, GoPros, yeah, they have mics on them, right? Yeah. So and I think you can connect them to a GoPro. So yeah, how do we do that? One of them would have to take that audio source as well. I think they do. Let's see, GoPro. Let's take a look. I feel like we looked at it, but maybe not. Yo, and I'm about to have to shell out $350 to get a GoPro. Rip. Okay, so add lights, mics, and more. There you go. Yeah, so like these new ones have media mod. So get premium shotgun mic performance. Oh, you can add this thing on it? That's weird. Yeah, I think it's like a mod you'd have to get for it. Is with audio? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can stream over with audio, right? As long as you include it. I love Yeehaw and changes to the live via SFTP. That sounds scary, Rushki. Yeah, they're all proprietary. So like you would have to, yeah, you'd have to buy this thing. Yeah, oh, I see it right there. This does come with a mic, it looks like, though, which could be good to begin with, I guess. Yeah, man, GoPros have come a long way, huh? Yeah, see, I want my stream to look like this. I want it to look just like that. That is awesome. Yes. That. Yeah, and then all of it's just controlled through the device. So, and then so it's the Hero 7 Black. We might be able to get away with one of these. Yeah, when GoPros are a huge deal. Yeah. The times have changed. What's up, G95? What did you do to make a Pi hosting Docker? Is it Tesla? Oh, you mean how do they connect? So we're gonna be streaming video from a Tesla to a Raspberry Pi that's using Docker. Is the yeah, is that explanation there? Voice control? What? Live streaming. Ooh. Yeah, see, here it is. So show your live stream 720p on social via GoPro app and save footage to your SD card to check out later. Yes. Anyways, yeah, that's. I'm gonna have to just buy one of these. I think we probably go with the 7, huh? It's $250 right now, and it does 4K 60 FPS, so that's pretty good. Yeah, cheat. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so that's kind of again that idea of how we're gonna do that. I think this will probably be next Tesla Thursday. Really going in, diving into this thing and understanding how this thing will work. Yeah, it's the new Edge Chromium. You should check it out. It's pretty great. Would highly recommend. We need an Edge command. I know. It always amazes me that people are so like, whoa, Edge? Why you do this? Okay, folks, I think that's gonna be the end of the stream for me today. Yeah, I think we have a good stopping point and a good area of things we're working on. Yeah, man, I love the Tesla Thursday streams. They're a lot of fun. Yes, Alec uses Edge Chromium on Mac. Stop bullying about it. No, that's all good. Yeah, for anyone that doesn't know, again, yeah, I do use Edge Chromium. Highly recommend. It's been really great on Mac and on Windows. So if you're looking for a new browser, go check it out. Well, folks, thanks for being here today. Appreciate you all hanging out with me and working on this Raspberry Pi fanciness. If you like the stream, consider dropping a follow. We'd love to have you back. I'm here Monday. I'm here. When am I here? Hello? Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. We do programming streams. Thursday, obviously, Tesla Thursdays. Tuesday and Friday, we work on Groovy, the mobile app that we've been working on for the past 180 days. And then Saturday, this Saturday is a big day. This Saturday, we're doing the very first ever podcast stream. We're going to be talking about the the future of live streaming or programming live streams. And we're bringing on special guests, Coding Garden here on Twitch. If you haven't checked him out, another awesome programming streamer here on Twitch. We're going to have a little talk this Saturday. I'm really excited, and I hope to see you all there. Create your own browser? Nah, not going to happen. Not going to happen. Also, we have a great Discord filled with some coolio people working on some cool stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Come showcase your projects, get some programming help, or just come hang out with the community. We'd love to have you all there. That sounds good, Rushki. Yeah, CJ is great. CJ is great. It's gonna be a good time. I'm excited to see what's going on, yeah, just kind of talk to him and see how people like the podcast stream. So Gangster's Pair, maybe, not sure. Slayery, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you, folks. Appreciate you all being here. And at the end of every stream, folks, I always love dropping a nice raid to another fellow programming streamer here. So let's see who's online. Let's show some love. And yeah, McAndrews, thanks for the follow. Oh. Yeah, don't forget to stick around. B, thank you so much. You have a good day too. Yeah, thanks for being here. Really appreciate you. All right, let's see who we got. I'm thinking Ed. Holy crap, man. Welcome. Dude, we're just heading off. It's nice to see you though. Hope you're doing well. I want to try to raid someone brand new to programming here on Twitch. Hi and bye. Yes, thanks for coming by to say hello though. Appreciate you being here, my friend. Ahead! Boom! Ed coming in with that tier 1 sub for 2-month streak, 3 months in all. Ed, appreciate you, my dude. Thanks for being here. Thank you again for that. Sorry, yeah, we're looking for someone to raid right now. FTW Patrick, thanks for the follow. Appreciate you being here as well, my friend. RMTP module can do time lapse. Whoa, that's actually pretty slick. Nice. Heck yeah. Maybe Lana. Nah, I want to do something smaller. I'm thinking. A Toku Shobo? Who dat? Factorio love? All right, let me take a little look-see. That sounds pretty cool. I do love Factorio. It's fantastic. Oh yeah, this looks like a quality game, quality time. Don't you dare drive me back to that? Well, it looks like we're about to. Best of luck. Yeah, thanks for the suggestion. Folks, grab that raid message, show some love. Golden Duke, thanks for that follow, by the way. Let's show Atoku some love. Poggers. Let's get groovy. Oh, I guess we need a new command for Tesla Tuesdays, huh? Or Thursdays. What day is it again? Hello? I'm starting to send you Taco Bell pictures. Oh, God. Tomorrow's release day? Hey, let's go. Nice beganders. Tesla today. Yes. That's me, bruh. Thanks for the follow. Welcome. Pocket. I think I might die this week. I think I might get Taco Bell. I think it's gonna happen on this weekend. I have a feeling. I'm gonna try my best not to. But anyways, folks, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate y'all being here. Hope you enjoyed today's stream. I will catch you all mañana en la mañana. Salud y saludos. Enjoy the raid. Let's show some love. Peace.